y'all see that sexy name, Michael Ealy. And Meagan Good right beside him. So beautiful. All right, you guys, it's Atlanta time. It is time for the premiere of The Intruder with Meagan Good and Michael Ealy, and it is directed by DIDNT Taylor. Oh my God, I'm so excited that I was invited to a movie premiere. I got to learn a lot. I got to see a lot. Shout out to my cousin Tasha for rolling with me. You never know who you're going to see, who you're going to be by. It was so many celebrities. Stay tuned, you guys.
I have to be honest, I'm not a real big scary person, but my fiance is up there. Hey, Mom. Hey. Y'all give it up for Serena. She's in there. You just jump on him, you just yes, we're really excited because you all are about to meet two of the stars and the director from this particular
Yes. You better win it.
Certainly not least.
Meagan looks so good.
Y'all know what I'm trying to say. What am I saying? He look good. He's fine. Yeah, he's fine. He's got a plethora of movies, and he's one of our all-time favorites. I mean, just an outstanding and talented actor. Will you please put our hands together for Michael Ealy, everybody?
Yes, green eyes.
We are going to let you guys take it away as you introduce this amazing film. You can take mine.
Seriously. Yeah, I need the help.
We are living, yeah, single. Who remember Living Single? And of course, that was DIDNT Taylor, the director. That is me standing on the red carpet, you guys. Gary with the T, Dish Nation. Y'all know who that is. Who in Atlanta don't know Gary with the T? Yes, Escape. Do you want to? Yes, just make sure you go see this movie, you guys. Check the ticket stub to make sure they get the credit. Shatima R.